Alright, I want to come on here real quick and remind you to subscribe, give this video a like, and make sure that you leave a comment. I do have a $500 makeup giveaway going on right now to the end of the month. I will leave that down below, so make sure that you enter that. Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you comment down below. Let me know how your day is. Welcome back to our family. Guys, I say this in every video, but I am definitely excited about this video. So if you read from the title, we will be unboxing the Charlotte Tilbury mystery box. Now, I blame you guys because I didn't know it was out. You guys tagged me, DM'd me, and told me about it, and I was like, oh my god. And then somebody messaged me, I don't know if you want me to say your name, and was like, they sell out really quick, and I'm like, FOMO is like true. And so I went and ordered it. This is a $200 mystery box. I know. Read me the filth in the comments down below. I ought to be ashamed of myself for spending $200 on a mystery box. I know. But let's open her up and see what's in here. I haven't watched any of the unboxings because I wanted to be surprised. I don't know if everybody got the same thing or did they get the same thing, just different shades. I really don't know. I've only tried Charlotte Tilbury, the powder, which I love, which is like 40-something dollars. And then I got a couple things in my Poshmark mystery box. But that's the only thing I've ever tried. Oh, okay, so it says Charlotte Tilbury. And also you got some free things for spending money. So let's put it aside. Okay, so this must be the free stuff. Okay, so this is the mystery box right here. And this is really cool. So let's go over really quick what I got for free. So excited. All right, so this is Hot Lips. Oh my god, it's cheetah print. Wow, that is so cute. Oh, that's a pretty shade. Ooh. Oh, I love that shade. That is gorgeous. It sounds like it's raining outside. I hope not. All right, so we have that. Then we have another Hot Lips. Let's see what shade you be.
Come to mama. Come on. Don't be shy.
All right, another cheetah print. And looks like almost the same shade, but just a lighter. Very pretty. I wonder why they gave you like almost the same shade, but I'm not complaining. And then this is a full size. Well, that's really pretty. The packaging is so pretty. Oh, that's pretty too. That's a pretty nude color. Like, but they're all almost the same shades. Oh, no, maybe not. This is more like a peachy shade. That's pretty. I can't read the small print, so in editing, I'll put the names of these lipsticks right here for you guys. So I do apologize in advance. All right, and then we got a little mascara right here. I'm definitely going to try the next time I put makeup on. All right, so that was the free gifts. Now, let's go to the $200 mystery box. That is just stunning. Yeah, I wanted to make sure it wasn't upside down. And, oh, it's magnetic. So I'll probably keep this. This is really nice. All right, so there's a lot of stuff in here. So that's enough. You guys know I like to do little sneak peeks and tease you. A little foreplay never hurts anybody. All right, so there is no card. So, like I said, I'm just going to go over, I'll just show you real quick what I got. So the first thing is this Wonder Glow. And these look like they're all full-size products. So what are you? This is a Wonder Glow Instant Soft Focused Beauty Flash. Okay, so what is it? Let's see. A highlighter maybe? Not sure. Let's see. I'm not sure what that is. Like I said, in editing, I will put down what it is. What is it? Wonder Glow Instant Soft. I can't read it. I don't know if it's a primer or a highlighter. I really don't know. Like I said, because I don't try any of her stuff. But I will leave everything down below. The next thing is this Hollywood Beauty Glow. So this definitely has to be a highlighter right here. Let's see. Yeah, this is a highlighter. So let's see. So it has like a little sponge here. Let's put it right there. Come on. Why isn't it coming out? What the heck? Oh, you got to turn it. Come on, Ann. I'm not used to high stuff. Oh, what? I squeezed way too much. Oh my God. I probably wasted half the thing. Whoa. So we'll just do this. That is gorgeous. I don't know what you can see because put it right over here. That is just gorgeous. I know I put too much on. I know next time not to squeeze so hard, but that is gorgeous. Like, that goes perfectly with my skin. Ooh, I love that. All right, the next thing is eyes to memorize. I don't know. Let's see what this is. So, right there. So, maybe an eyeshadow? Yeah. So, this is an eyeshadow. It's like a bronzy color. Oh, and it feels so good. Where am I going to put it? I'll put it right here. So that's really, really pretty. It's like very creamy. I don't tend to go for bronze a lot. I'm kind of wearing it on my eyes today. But this is really pretty. Like I don't tend to go for like singles like this. But for this, the formula is just gorgeous. I definitely will. Wow. I wish it was in like a lighter shade. But that's okay. You know, I'm not complaining. So then we have this thing. And this is Cheek to Chic. So this is a blush. Ew. This Swish and Pop. What shade is this? The eyeshadow. Stay Gold is the eyeshadow. And then the highlighter is Spotlight. Okay. So this is in the shade Ecstasy. Yeah. Well, that's kind of pretty. Kind of looks like a boob, don't it? With the thing. Let's let me wipe my hand on my pants. I'm just gonna mix them both together. Okay, so it is light. It's over that highlight, but let's see. I'm just gonna build it up so you guys can see the color. That's all. That's very, very pretty. And so you can either go here or in here. I just mixed it because they basically look almost like the same color. But I love the color. I like peachy shades, so I'm happy for that. Like, this is really good. I think the value is supposed to come up to like almost $400. All right, so then we have this Bronze and Glow. Ooh, and I love me some bronzer. This mystery box is way better than the Beauty Bakery I got. Why can't I'm going to have to rip the box. All right, and her packaging is just beautiful. And let's see what shade this is. Film Strap Bronze and Glow. Let's see. Oh, okay, so you get a nice mirror. Now, this would be, I think might be a little bit too light, but let me swatch it and see. Yeah, because it's more of like a bronzer shade, but, so right here and right here. So let's see. All right, I went in 3 times just so you guys can see the color. It's extremely light for me, and then this right here will kind of like go under my eyes to highlight it. But I can build this up to make it work. But so this is probably the lightest shade. And that's the only thing with mystery boxes, because if you are darker complected than me, like, you wouldn't be able to use that. But, you know, that's what you get with getting mystery boxes. Like my Beauty Bakery one, I got all lipsticks, and everybody else got palettes, you know? All right, so then we have this Hot Lips again. So this must be another lipstick. And this is in the shade Angel. I don't even know how to pronounce that puppy. What? Let me get my magnifying glass. Let me get my glasses on. I know you guys like my glasses. Alessandra? I think that's how you say it. I don't know. But let's open her up. Okay, so you just slide it out. Because I'm like, how do you get this thing out? Whoa, look at that packaging. That is gorgeous. Holy cow. Has like panthers on it. Wow. Ooh, and this is a nice color too. They're all about the same color, like even with the ones that I got free. But let's put it right up here. So pretty. See, they kind of favor. But I don't care. I mean, the packaging alone, wow. And it snaps, so that way if you have it in your pocketbook, the lid doesn't fall off. All right, so we have 3 more things. So right here, this is a liquid lipstick in the shade, what shade you be? What shade you be? I don't see it right here. Let me open it up. Maybe it's on the lipstick. I honestly can't read the shades. In editing, I'll have to put it down. The print is so small. All right, so there we go. And this is like a pinky color. That's really pretty. All right, then we have lashes. This is volume 2, so mascara. This is which I love getting mascara. I'm not going to open up the one. Look, it has the eye. I don't know what you can see. One's blinking. Because I already have some open and I don't want it to go to waste. And last but not least is an eyeshadow pencil. Okay, I won't go really reach for eyeshadow pencils. That I do know. So it must be in this shade. And so I'm going to put this in a future giveaway because I won't use this and it will go to waste. All right, so let's recap really quick what we got for $200. So we have an eyeshadow stick. We have this Wonder Glow, which that's what I put on my whole arm. I have to see what that is. We have the contour and highlight shade. We have the blush. We got a full-size lipstick. We have a highlighter. What else? What else? We have a mascara, and I think that's it. Oh, and then we had this eyeshadow that's gorgeous. It's right here. That's gorgeous. And the lipstick. And then these were my free purchases. So I got 2 lipsticks and a full-size lipstick. And what else? Was that it? Oh, and that tiny mascara. I don't know where it's at. Yeah, so let me know what you think of this Charlotte Tilbury thing. It's valued at $399. I paid $200, so I got double the value. And it gives me a lot of options to try her formula to see what I like, if I like her brand. But let me... What? Let me know in the comments down below. Did you purchase this? Would you purchase this box if you had the money? Let me know. What did you think of it? Let me know all the tea down below. So that's everything, guys. Please give this video a like. Also, if you love my unboxings, if you love this content, then please consider subscribing to our channel. I would love for you to join our family. And don't forget to turn that post notification bell on. Make sure you double tap it and you have it on all. That way you get notified for all of my future videos. I do have a $500 makeup giveaway that's going on right now, so make sure you have that post notification bell on for my other giveaway that I will have probably up by next week. Yeah, so that's everything, guys. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and try to stay cool in this hot weather that we're having. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.